Ayan guys, good morning, good morning. Ang ating almusal for today is, ayan, sinangag with hotdog. Ayan. At ayan, ulam, ayan, toyo, ayan. At dilis na prito, ayan. Yung toyo na yan, ayan, yung tawag na sa Kabikulan ay alubaybay at bulinaw na alang. Sausawan natin, ayan, suka na may pipino at sibuyas. Yan po ang ating breakfast of the day. Tara guys, kain po tayo. So yummy, yummy, yummy.